Visualizing the Internet, a portrait of our connected world. Visualizing the Internet, a portrait of our connected world. The Internet has transformed the world. It has changed the way we communicate, learn, work, and socialize. The Internet is a global network of interconnected devices, servers, and cables that allow you to access information and communicate with people across the globe. But what does this vast network look like? How can we visualize it? In this article, we will explore these questions and provide a portrait of our connected world. The Internet is a complex system that involves numerous interconnected networks, each of which is made up of devices, servers, and cables. To provide an overview of this system, we can use various visualization techniques, such as maps, graphs, and charts. There are several ways to approach this task, but one common method is to create a map of the Internet. Mapping the Internet involves using data on the network's infrastructure, such as IP addresses, domains, and network links, to create a graphical representation of the network. However, due to its vastness and decentralization, it can be challenging to create an accurate and up-to-date map of the entire Internet. Nevertheless, there have been several attempts to visualize the Internet, and each of them provides a unique perspective on the network. One of the most commonly used maps of the Internet is the map of Internet2, a consortium of research and education networks that provides advanced technologies for research and education purposes. This map shows the network's backbone, which connects universities and research institutions across the country. The map illustrates the physical infrastructure of the network, including the cables and routers that carry data across the country. It also shows the connections between different networks and the places where they intersect. Another map of the Internet is the Internet Atlas, which provides a global view of the Internet's topology. The Internet Atlas is based on traceroute data, which is used to measure the network's data and path between different locations. The map shows the connections between different countries and regions and the density of the network in different areas. It also shows the autonomous numbers, which represent groups of networks that are managed by a single organization. A different perspective on the Internet is provided by the map of the web, which shows the relationships between different websites. This map is based on hyperlinks, which are the links that connect different web pages. The map shows the size and popularity of different websites and the connections between them. It illustrates how information flows through the network and how different websites are interconnected. While these maps provide different views of the network, they all have some limitations. Firstly, they only show a part of the Internet, such as the backbone or the web. Secondly, they rely on data that may not always be accurate or up-to-date. Finally, they do not show the content that flows through the network, which is the most important aspect of the Internet. To get a better understanding of the content that flows through the network, we need to look at other visualizations, such as graphs and charts. These visualizations can provide insights into the behavior of Internet users, the popularity of different websites and applications, and the evolution of the network over time. Here are some examples of these visualizations. Social network graphs. These graphs show the connections between different users on social networking sites, such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. They illustrate the patterns of social interact ions in the groups that users belong to. They can also be used to detect disinformation campaigns and fake news. Online behavior charts. These charts show the behavior of Internet users, such as their browsing habits, search queries, and shopping preferences. They provide insights into how people use the Internet and what they are interested in. They can also be used for targeted advertising and marketing. Content flow visualizations. These visualizations show how information flows through the network, such as the spread of news articles, memes, and videos. They illustrate how information is shared and consumed by different groups of users. They can also be used to detect propaganda and